there's a different process available to families who are moving through the transition of divorce, that litigation is not the only option, and that there's actually something called collaborative divorce. Believe it or not, there's a process where parties commit not to litigate their case and move through the process reverently. It begins with a husband and wife who want to have a transparent and amicable process. They may not be there initially, but they seek out legal representation by people who are trained in collaborative law. And it's a formal process where you use lawyers along with mental health professionals, financial specialists, and child development specialists to work as a team to move you through the process without ever having to step foot into a courtroom.
What kind of couple that's separating would be ideal in this situation?
Any couple. As long as they have the ability to move through the transition in the spirit of collaboration.
As long as they both agree to the basics of we're getting a divorce and that.
If we have children, we want to put our children at the forefront and their needs as a priority. And we don't want an exhausting, litigious, expensive process to do this. We want value for the money that we invest in our divorce.
So you speak of value. What are the benefits that come to mind?
You learn to communicate effectively for the first time. Most couples, one of the reasons why they are even in the situation that they're in is because they are not able to communicate effectively. And you couple that with anxiety, emotional upset, maybe feelings of betrayal, sadness, fear. All of those things are going to prevent them from communicating effectively during the transition of their divorce. And so with the help of collaborative lawyers or collaborative divorce coaches, mental health professionals, you can be cognizant of those things and learn to communicate effectively for the first time, not only to enter into settlement negotiations with respect to your divorce, but to learn how to co-parent into the future. So you have skills that you get to build upon after all the professionals are done with the representation. There's something that they've provided you that's of benefit.
Where's the starting point? Family law attorney?
Family law attorney or a mental health professional, any professional who is trained in the collaborative divorce process.